Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost the Freelancer. How are you all doing today? It is Wednesday, and I hope you all are doing fine. And I hope that you are doing well in UHRS. Last night was really interesting. A lot of new hits came up, and some of them are in different languages. For me, I got Spanish in oneforma. I'm not sure how that happened, but luckily I was able to qualify and work on it. And my apologies, I didn't do a recording for it because I was really exhausted. Well, anyways, for today's recording, we are back to Yandex Toloka, and this is the training and examination for a task called "Does the evidence contain an answer?" This one should be easy. We just have to carefully read the given snippet. This one and check if the answer to the question is correct based on the snippet only. You are allowed to search unclear terms, but please base your answer on the snippet only. So, snippet is method 4. The pay limits shall be defined as follows. The upper limit shall be the original ground surface as it existed before the start of construction operations, except that where excavation is performed within areas designated for previous excavation or earth fill. The upper limit shall be the modified ground surface resulting from the specified previous excavation or earth fill. So, what influences ground surface excavation? This is a no for me. Let's submit it. Uh, we should get something like an error if we made a mistake. So snippet again is abstract to compressive strength values of cement mortar, usually affected by sodium chloride quantities, chemical admixtures, and cement grades so that an artificial neural network model was performed to predict the comprehensive strengths of mortar value for different cement grades and sodium chloride percent. What is artificial neural network model used for? Um, Abstract. Let me read through this again. The comprehensive strength values of cement mortar usually affect. What is art? I would go with no for this as well. Now we'll get our result after the exam, and I hope we pass it. Cements with similar C3A contents and variable C3S contents were studied in 42 and showed the C3S has a clear effect on sulfate resistance. What is C3S used in? This is a no as well. Ah, that's a yes. All right. Studies of hardened concrete properties comprising bulk engineering properties, compressive cube and cylinder strength, flexural strength, modulus of elasticity, drying shrinkage, and durability, near surface absorption, alkali silica reaction showed similar performance for concrete produced with natural aggregates and up to 15% WGS. The dismantling of cathode ray tube CRTs represents a pressing environment problem. What is an example of bulk engineering properties? This is yes for me. Okay, the hydration of C3S, C2S, and C4AF are accelerated in the presence of silica fume, experiences rapid dissolution in the presence of CaOH2, and supersaturation of silica with respect to silicon-rich phase. What property of C4AF was improved? Yeah, that is correct. Okay, two wrong answers. I'm not sure. I'm not understanding all these stuffs. These are scientific. Absorption, spectroscopy, emission, spectroscopy, viscosity measurements, and DNA melting techniques have been used to investigate the binding of these two complexes with half thymus DNA, and photocleavage studies have been used to investigate the binding of these complexes with plasmid DNA. What is viscosity measurement used for? Uh, I think it's a yes. Now, three mistakes. I hope we pass it. Okay, we passed the training with a score of 50. That is the training and examination. Guys, for those errors that we got, please do capture a screenshot so you'll get a better score than what I did or than what I get during the examination and training for a task in Yandex Toloka called Does the Evidence Contain an Answer? Let's go back to task list and see how much that thing pays. It doesn't show it. But anyways, I hope you guys were able to learn something from that particular video. It is again task from Toloka Yandex. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. Please do subscribe to our tutorial channel for more videos like this. And we also have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. By the way, guys, the bill run for Click Worker starts today. Expect your invoices to be out within today, and it should get paid from Wednesday to Friday. Happy payday. Thank you for watching. Again, hit those notification bells or that notification bell for you to get notified once a new video has been uploaded to this channel. You have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye for now.